Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today I'm very excited to introduce another project. In this project, I integrated ChatGPT model to extract specific or required details from email bodies. My client was receiving too many emails in his Gmail inbox, and he wanted that specific or required details will be extracted from there and it will be organized or formatted, then will be saved in a Google Sheet. As per his instruction, I started working. I wrote Google Apps script and I used regular expression, but later I realized that email body, its format or structure is not same all the time. It's too much dynamic, and that's why regular expression was failing again and again. Later I decided that I should use ChatGPT model. I did so, and this ChatGPT model is working as a brain, and it is working very nicely and returning the response which is expected. Now here you can see in the column L, this is the data which is created by ChatGPT. Yeah, that's how it is working. And also this workflow is extracting and it is fetching many all other details like processing date, email message ID, email subject, HTML content of email body, and the plain text body. So now here you can see the plain text is like this, and with the help of ChatGPT model we are formatting the response with basically these are the addresses. It is generated by ChatGPT. In the report sheet here you can see all addresses which are created yesterday. I pasted here a formula, and based on this formula this result is coming here. And from this menu, if I click on this and CSV file email, then this sheet will be converted as a CSV file and will be sent via email. Okay, let's see how it is working. If I click on send CSV via email, then script will start working. And now if I go to email, here you can see this is the email, and if I click on the CSV file, it will open exactly this is the result which one we have seen in the Google Sheet, and my clients you wanted to print this report. Anyway, that's how it is working, kind of basic workflow with the help of the ChatGPT. Now if you need this kind of project or your project is something else, you can send me WhatsApp message or you can send me email. My WhatsApp number and email is given in the description box and the comment section if it is a different media. Anyway, thanks for your time to watch this video till end. See you again. Bye bye.